Hey, welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to do an old favorite. We're going to make banana pudding. Now if you watch our older videos, actually Randy was doing the channel by himself and he had me make the banana pudding for him, and I never showed my face. All you could hear my voice and you could see my hands, and that was it. And since then, you know, he's convinced me that this is the way to go and that we should do this. So we're going to update the video today for you. But I'm only going to do a half a recipe because we don't need but a half a recipe. So you just double it. Everything I say, you just double it. Okay? All right, let's get started. What you're going to need is some vanilla wafers, 2 cups of milk, 1 pack of vanilla pudding mix, 2 cups of heavy cream, half a teaspoon of vanilla, 1/4 teaspoon of confectioner's sugar, and 3 or 4 ripe bananas. Not super ripe, but you know, where they're good and sweet. Okay, and so we're just gonna do this because it doesn't take very long, and it is so good. I'm gonna move this over here where you can see it before Randy has a heart attack. And then I'm gonna put the milk in there. 2 cups of milk. And then I'm just gonna use this little emulsion blender because there's no sense in dragging out a big mixer when this works best. It will splash a little bit, but that's okay. That's why you wear an apron. Okay, now my pudding is good and getting thick. So now we're going to set that aside. And this is the best trick in the planet, y'all. If you've never seen this, this is cool. You take a quart jar and then you put your 2 cups of whipping cream in there. And then you take your emulsion blender with the thing. Now don't try to use it if you just have the one with the blade, don't do that. But if you have the whisk on the end, then you just stick it right down in a very cold jar. You take very cold whipping cream and put it in a very cold quart jar. And then turn it on. You start to let it get thick. And then you'll add a 1/4 cup of your confectioner's sugar and just a little bit, half a teaspoon of vanilla. Put it back in there and watch the magic happen. It is so fast and it is way better than Cool Whip ever dared to be. And you don't make a mess, you don't splash, you don't have to pull out your KitchenAid. This is the bomb. Now we're going to Test it. Oh, not quite. Another minute. Oops. Test it again. Getting there. There we go. See that? Now we're talking. So your 2 cups of heavy cream makes 4 cups of whipped cream. Now, I'm going to bring that bowl back that had just the pudding in it. And we're going to take half of our whipped cream. And we're going to drop that in there. And then we're just going to fold it in. Just take a spatula and start folding it in. Not mixing it in, because you'll make your whipping cream go flat. You just want to just roll it in. And you'll know when you're done, when you don't see shimmers of the whipped cream. Alright, and we're just going to keep folding until we get that all incorporated. Alright, there you have it. Now we're going to take our bowl. Now I'm not going to fill this bowl up. For Christmas, I will absolutely fill this bowl up. But we're still a week out from Christmas. And we don't need a bowl that big full of banana pudding. Okay, and you want to lay them out and make them pretty. Or I do. I always kind of line them up on the side of the bowl. And then I put in a layer of my pudding. And then I get me a banana. And don't let brown bananas scare you. Those bananas are perfect. When they get to look like this, then that means that the banana is ripe and sweet. And that's what you want. The greener the banana, the harder it is and the less sweet. So just keep that in mind when you're buying your bananas. Don't be afraid of those little spots. 9 times out of 10, that means it's a really good banana. And then I'm just going to cut little medallions and let them fall where they will. Put me a few more vanilla wafers in there. Just like that. Little more pudding. A few more bananas. Take those little strings off. And then just dice up that banana and let them fall where they will. Nice and thin. Really, making banana pudding couldn't get any easier. Now I know some old timers will tell you to make your own custard and your own vanilla pudding. But I have found that sometimes it works and sometimes it don't. And there's only like 2 minutes difference between do and don't. So this is foolproof. This is the way I do it. I like foolproof, okay? We're gonna put some more wafers in there. I'm going to put the rest of my pudding in there. And I'm going to try not to miss any, because that is good stuff. Mix that. Now you can just imagine I normally do a double recipe. And a double recipe will come all the way up to the top of your jar or your container. One more banana. And a lot of times what I'll do is take a piping bag and put my whipped cream in the piping bag and then make the top really, really pretty. But it's just Randy and I, and he loves banana pudding and I don't have to impress him. So we're just gonna put it in dollops all over the top. Just little dollops, just so he can have some extra cream. And there is your banana pudding. And I'm going to save about a cup of that for later. There you have it. Got a little boo-boo in there. All right. Now, One beautiful banana pudding. And Randy's standing back there with a shovel in his hand, thinking he's going to do a taste test. So we're going to let him have it. But, you know, I wanted to say, you know, if you have, you know, we had 5 kids. And I didn't have a ton of time. I worked. He worked. Kids went to school. I mean, we were busy. But I could throw that together. You saw how fast. I could throw that together. 3 bananas, some heavy cream, a pack of pudding, and some milk. You know, took me all of, back then probably $2, you know, because back then it was like 15 cents a pound for bananas. I found these on sale for 39 cents a pound. So I might have used a pound, so that was 39 cents worth of bananas, 75 cents for the pudding, 75 cents for the milk, $1.50. So really you're talking way under $5 for a really, really nice weekend treat. Or a weeknight, you know, if you just feel like it and you're going to watch a movie, just sit down with some banana pudding and go down. All right, Randy, hurry up.
Yes, Commander.
Yeah, he can't wait. I don't know why he's dawdling.
My body is sore.
Actually, it really should sit in the fridge for about, you know, at least an hour or 2.
We ain't got to do that.
So that the crackers get soft, because they're much, much better when they get soft.
I got her attention, didn't I?
Oh my word. I said he had a shovel. I didn't know he was from... Okay.
All right. Guys, I'm going to tell you, you know, this is really, you know, the quickest, easiest way. And it it takes care of the job. It does the job.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah.
You know?
It's really good. You know, with the...
But he's not going to be able to get a cracker like that.
Watch me.
Okay. Like I said, go ahead and stick it in the fridge for a couple hours, you know, or overnight. Actually, if you leave it overnight, it is truly wonderful. It never makes it around my house overnight, but that would be ideal.
Yeah, the one advantage we have here that you guys don't have is it's ice cold outside. And so this pudding is cold. Everything she put in there is cold.
Oh yeah, it's cold.
So there wasn't no need to refrigerate this one.
We hope you enjoyed the video, and we hope you come back and see us. Bye.
I can't wait for dessert.